These are the top 9 things you should be buying at Costco, Japan, January 4th, 2025. Everybody, this is the Costco Samurai. If you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share. Here we go. Lindt's Green Assortment. It's a symphony of decadence at 2,998 yen. That's 500 yen per 100 grams. This box is a Swiss masterpiece. Milk chocolate soothes. Pistachio intrigues, salted caramel demands attention, and double chocolate delivers pure indulgence. A flavor summit where every bite reminds you why chocolate is a necessity and not a luxury. Then you have the Lindt's Gold Assortment, the classics reinvented for 2,998 yen or 500 yen per 100 grams. This 600-gram treasure blends timeless flavors with indulgent charm. Dark chocolate broods, milk chocolate comforts, white chocolate seduces, and hazelnut surprises. A rich ode to classic European decadence. And then you have the pink assortment from Lindt's 2,998 yen or 500 yen per 100 grams. This 600-gram box mixes charm and indulgence. Milk chocolate comforts, white chocolate dazzles, salted caramel winks, and double chocolate steals the show. Sweet, cheeky, and irresistibly bold. Let me know what your favorite assortment is in the comments below. The Ninja Cordless Blender, Japanese name American Power, for 11,180 yen. Yes, down from 13,980 yen, saving you 2,800 yen. This is a hot buy, everyone, and it's new. This cordless blender crushes ice and frozen fruit like a ninja on a mission. USB-C charging, 470 milliliter container, and a dishwasher-friendly design, making it the perfect on-the-go gadget. It's got the stealth of a ninja, except instead of silently slaying, it's silently blending your smoothie. The Kirkland Signature Bath Tissue, the soft powerhouse, at 5,798 yen for 60 rolls. That's 97 yen per roll. What a great deal. This Japanese-made toilet paper proves that quality doesn't have to come in a fancy package, just softness that hits you like a cloud and strength that doesn't crumble under pressure. It's a fan favorite at Costco, and it's easy to see why. 100% pulp, individually wrapped in 6-roll packs and ready to tackle your most important job with ease. Don't let the price fool you. This toilet paper doesn't just wipe, it takes care of business. Now available online because even your butt deserves a VIP experience. Kirkland Signature Paper Towels, made in Japan. Think of them as the unsung hero for your kitchen. The gritty, no-frills cleaning machine that just gets the job done at 3,559 yen for 12 rolls. That's 2 yen a sheet. Cheap? Maybe. But when you're knee-deep in a barbecue disaster or wiping down a countertop after a spaghetti bender, you'll thank whatever higher power made these. Sure, some might whine about the thinner sheets and bulkier packaging, but they still soak up more than you'd expect without getting all flimsy on you. They're the heavy hitters of paper towels, reliable, tough, and at that price, a damn good deal. Then you have the Crecia Hand Towels Soft, 200 sheets per pack, 16 packs for 3,358 yen. Soft like a croissant, strong like your morning coffee, no fluff, no mess, just dry hands and a happy home. Wipe up grease, spills, or that sneaky snack crumb. These paper towels got your back. It's practical, durable, and way more fun than your average roll. And you have Kleenex tissues, 180 sheets per box, 10 boxes for 898 yen, rated at 4.6 out of 5 stars, soft, sturdy, and eco-friendly with FSC certified pulp. It's the tissue that handles your sniffles and spills without the drama. Just keep it away from strong odors. No one wants smelly tissues. Recycle, wipe, repeat. Cold season, bring it on. We have the Silcot Wet Tissue, 688 sheets for 1,998 yen. 16 packs of alcohol-free, non-scented, ultra-durable wipes, perfect for wiping everything from kids' hands to countertops to your iPhone. Customers love these ease, one sheet at a time, no mess, no stress. Sure, it's a bit thin, but at this price, you're wiping up the competition. Plus, with 4.7 out of 5 ratings, this is the real deal for a clean home, car, or anything else that needs a quick, refreshing wipe. Keep your hands and your life spotless without breaking the bank. And there you have it, your Costco essentials wrapped up and ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more finds. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it clever. This is the Costco Samurai. Bye, bee.